Emotional and confrontational day in court today in the murder trial of a Broward man charged with killing his estranged wife. Her brother testified today, as well as the couple's daughter. Local 10's Carlos Suarez live in Fort Lauderdale with more. Carlos.
That teenage daughter's testimony was emotional and at times heartbreaking to listen. She described the night that prosecutors believe her mother was murdered and how her father seemingly seemed unnerved by the fact that she'd gone missing.
You need a break?
In tears, Vilet Torrez's daughter described losing her best friend, how she woke up in the middle of the night back in 2012 to the sound of cries and the voice of her father.
Tell me what your dad's voice was saying.
It was saying, "No, you wake up."
How many times did you hear your dad saying, "No, you wake up"?
Around 5 or 6 times.
Sid Torrez showed no emotion as his eldest daughter cried and later identified a bloodied towel as belonging to her mother. A key witness in the state's case, the teen placed Torrez at his estranged wife's house the last night she was seen, and how he dropped her and her siblings off at her grandparents' the following day and went missing for hours.
He looked disheveled, nervous, worried, rushed.
What did his appearance look like?
His clothes looked dirty.
Earlier in the day, the jury heard from Vilet's boyfriend, who described a testy phone call with Torrez.
It got heated, and I said, let me explain something to you. You know, I'm not 115 pounds. You're not going to be able to bully me like you bullied her.
Surveillance video captured Vilet arriving home after a date with her boyfriend. Prosecutors said Sid was waiting at Vilet's house in Miramar.
What did he specifically tell you?
I should definitely stop. That I did not know what kind of a person he could be and what he could do to me and to her, the actions that could become of it.
All right, now late this afternoon, jurors listened to the 911 calls in the days after she went missing. Prosecutors said that Sid Torrez waited several days, and only after a friend of the couple convinced him to call 911 to report his estranged wife missing. In the calls, you can hear him describing some of the contents that were left inside the house. But again, prosecutors said that he did this several days after she went missing and only at the urging of a friend. If convicted, Torrez faces life in prison. We're live inside the Broward County Courthouse in Fort Lauderdale. I'm Carlos Suarez, Local 10 News.